Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share these products with you today because these are pretty much all about the spring that's coming up soon. First, we have, and I know words don't look like much when I show them to you, so I will show them to you like this. Happy Easter. Now, if you've been following along at the Stamps of Life, you'll notice that every holiday we release, in every anything, we release one of these fun, at least one of these fun die word sets, and in this beautiful, thick, wonderful font. So this is Happy Easter, which I absolutely love it. Look how cute this card is. I love it. Then, I'm in love. I am in love. Let me just tell you, it is this adorable watering can bunny. Look at how cute it is. It is, of course, a fold it. So cute. But let me just tell you, I've added extra into this. I've added the cute little feet for separate, so you can cut them separately. I've added, what's it say? Happy spring and hello. So you can say happy hello. You can say hello. You can have happy spring. You could say hello spring. Lots of different options. So that one comes with words, which is very, very fun, right? And I have lots more samples for you on that one. Then, are you ready for this one? I'm in love with this one. This is our new shape. It's called Delightful. Yes, we are also releasing dies that match. Now check these out. This is the side fold, and I know you guys love the side fold as much as I do. Look at this example. Now it can go vertical or horizontal. This one is vertical. Look at that. You are doing amazing things. Yes, it comes with those words. It comes with those fun words. It also comes with this gorgeous background die. I'm looking to see, oh, here it is. You can see a sample of it here. It's those fun leaves all in pin dots. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Lots of samples to share. And then I also mentioned the fun nesting shapes. Now let's jump in and look at all the samples. As you know, I love to brag about my design team because they always come up with the most amazing projects. So here is a beautiful Happy Easter. Love it. Here's one, and let me just tell you, I hope you are in love with the A2 top fold card bases as much as I am. I showed you more earlier this month. Here's the exact same die set. Instead of saying hello, it has the beautiful flowers at the bottom. There's also a snowflake option that comes with it. So much fun. But look at how beautiful that is with our fun Happy Easter. I love that. Now, ooh, here we go. Check this out. Look at this. This is another one of our side fold cards, but look at that cute little, ooh, that's the berry chunky glitter paper cardstock that we have with our cute little blooms on there. So adorable. Here's another option of that fun little watering can bunny. Now look at this. I always love to show different examples because here we go. The same watering can. You could do it in a shaped version. You could do it in 5x7. You could do it in in A2 standard card size. The choice is yours. Those fold-its are so amazing because you can do them so many different ways. Here's another one on an A2 card, so you can see the difference. They work perfectly on both. Or check this one out. This is on our simple stand-up. You could turn it into a stand-up. Oh, I know. The choices, there are so many choices. That's what I love about fold-its. Now, here's another one on an A2 card base. Look at that. Isn't that so adorable? Again, by itself. So many different options, right? Oh, here's a cute one with our fun flowers that are this month's club set. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Now, let's look at, oh, are you kidding me? This chubby chick is one of my favorites. So cute. Another fold-it holding that Happy Easter. Isn't that adorable? I think this might be my Easter card this year. Okay, here we go. Look at that fun, delightful shape. It is delightful. There's that big shape cut out just on the front of an A2 card. Here they are as that side fold card, which is so fun. Ooh, look at the inside of this one. This is that pin dot that comes with it. Isn't that beautiful? Don't you love that? You're going to find yourself using that one more than you think. But look at that. You are doing amazing things. Here's another one. You are doing amazing things. Do you have to use those words? Absolutely not, right? Ooh, look at this one. Happy Easter, and you can turn it into a fold it if you want to. Oh, look at this one. This one's like a little pillow. Isn't that cute? I love that. You are a dream come true. I know who made that one. Oh, happy anniversary. So cute, Michelle. I love it. It's a little pillow. It's perfect. Here's another one. You are doing amazing things. So you can use, oh, you inspire me with that shape right on the inside. So again, horizontal, vertical, words, no words. The choice is yours. I feel like I had another one. I had another one earlier. Oh, I think it's this one that I was talking about. Or no words at all, right? No words at all. Here's another one. You are doing amazing things. Sending you smiles using the nested delightful. Now, can I tell you a little secret? The first 24 hours, these are on our website, they are on flash sale because I want you always to get the very, very rock bottom best price I can possibly ever give you. So the first 24 hours for club members and regular customers, they are on flash sale. But club members also get their club discount also. I'm telling you, I pay you to be my friends. It's like I give you this is what I would give. If I had a sister, this is what I would charge her. That's the price I'm giving you. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. All of these awesome products are on our website as well as a ton more. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.